Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to use the Ever-Tough compression tester. Part number is 67062. It's one of over 80 tools we have available in our Loaner Tool program. The Loaner Tool program can help you save money on your repairs. Just pay a deposit equal to the cost of the tool, and we'll return your full deposit when you return the tool to the store. So let's get started. The most common causes for low compression are valves that aren't properly seated, a cylinder head gasket failure, or cylinder head warping, and piston rings that are worn out or damaged. Using a compression tester is the best way to determine if any of these problems are present. And if you're getting low compression readings, you can then continue your diagnosis in these areas. As a reminder, always wear eye protection and gloves when you use this tool. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Run your vehicle's engine until it reaches operating temperature. Turn the engine off. Remove your ignition coils or spark plug wires from the spark plugs. Loosen your spark plugs about one turn using the appropriate spark plug socket and a ratchet. Then, if needed, use an air hose to blow the dirt out of the spark plug walls to prevent it from falling into the combustion chamber. Remove all the spark plugs. Set the throttle wide open. Pull the fuse or relay to disable the fuel pump. Choose the correct adapter from the compression tester kit. Finger tighten or hold the compression tester to the spark plug hole. And crank the engine till the highest reading is obtained, which usually takes 3 to 4 revolutions. Make note of the reading, then move to each of the other cylinders until you've tested them all and made note of the readings. Reinstall your spark plugs. Ignition coils. And fuel pump relay or fuse. You'll need to refer to your manufacturer's specifications to know what compression tolerances are allowed. Most engines should have compression values over 100 psi with less than 10% of variance between the highest and lowest compression measurement. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see all our new content. If you have any other questions about our Loaner Tool program, stop by a store. One of our parts professionals will be glad to help. You'll find everything that you need for your next project at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We'll see you again soon.